Welcome back to Pretty DIYs. I'm Rye, and today I'm going to be transforming this picture into something pretty, so stay tuned. For this DIY, you will need an old picture frame that you don't want. You will also need a glue gun. You'll need some flowers. You'll need some scissors. You'll need some Bling Wrap. I chose to use the gold kind, and some glue sticks. And we're going to begin by cutting the flowers because we're going to be gluing them onto the frame. So basically you just want to cut all your flowers first, and then you'll focus on gluing them on to the picture after they're all cut. And you can use whatever flowers you choose, pretty much from the dollar store. At this time, as you can see, I finished cutting the flowers. Now I'm going to glue them to the picture. So that's what I'm doing at this point. And you just want to make sure that it's glued on tightly, it's secure. If you have to use extra glue, then use extra glue. And I'm just arranging them how I want them to look. You can arrange them however way you desire them to look. I have different flowers. I have some roses and some other different types of flowers, not just one type of flower. my flowers on that I want. I have them the way that I want them to look. And now I'm going to glue on the bling wrap. You can choose whatever you want to glue onto the border of the picture. I chose bling wrap. You can choose ribbon, whatever you like. So I'm going to glue the bling wrap on all 4 sides. And we have come to the end of the DIY. I'm just adding some little beading. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're going to try this in the comment section. And also like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me if you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.